Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Yeah! It's Teachers Appreciation Day. Yeah! So, this week is actually Teachers Appreciation Day in the United States of America. And I have three kids, and I will be putting together some beautiful hamper for my kids' teacher. And the reason why I'm actually celebrating them is because these people are actually the real hero. We go pick the kids in the afternoon, you see them in the sun, in the rain, trying to control the traffic, pouring out all their wisdom, their strength into those kids. So I feel it is important to celebrate them. So I went to the store, grabbed so many things, and I'll be putting this beautiful hamper together. If you are a mom, try to do this. Appreciate the teachers that have poured into your children. This is very, very important. So I got those beautiful cups. Yeah, I got some cookies, I got some gift cards, yes, and I also have some card, thank you card with beautiful words in there. I got 30 and I'll be preparing 30 hampers for my kids teacher. So again, I'll be doing 30 hampers all together. These cards are beautiful. The words in this card are very, very beautiful, powerful. It speaks about the teachers, what they mean to our children. So I carefully select all these cards, and I'll be sharing with you how I put this wonderful hamper together. And I got this shortbread. I'm like, why not? After giving them all these things, they also need some cookies to step down. Yeah, that's funny, right? And this is some hair freshener. I will be putting this in the hamper just to appreciate them. It's not about the gift, it's about the hearts. And I got them some body wash, some hand soap, depending on whichever one gets in the hamper. Yeah. And here I got different body spray. Yes, it's my little, but again, the heart is what really matters. Different body spray, and these actually smell good because I tried it myself when I was buying it. And this is the bags, the beautiful bags that I'll be putting this hamper in. I'll be putting all this gift in. Again, I have the cup, I have the cookies, I have the hair freshener, I have the body spray, I have the body wash, I have the hand wash, I have gift cards, and I also have some greeting cards with some powerful words to describe what these teachers actually meant to our kids. And I'll be doing 30 hampers all together. And this is the wrapper to put on top of the hamper to make it look good and look gorgeous. Again, this is Cecelia Howard. If you don't know me, I do a whole lot about family, DIY life hack, eating healthy, motivational talk, marriage. Check out my channel because you've been missing out a lot. So now to start this hamper, I put the frosting, I put the soap, I put the hair freshener, and also I put the cup. This cup actually looks very, very beautiful. And I put a cookie. Yeah, let them step down with cookie. And I put one deodorant into that. And I will be putting the gift card. Yeah, that is so powerful. And the greeting cards with some powerful words that describe who these teachers are to our children. And this actually meant so much to me. Again, these teachers, they go above and beyond every time. When I go pick my kids, I'll see them on the line. They will be there, come rain, come sunshine, trying to control the traffic. They will even come to the extent of opening the car, our door cars for our kids so that our kids can go in, giving our kids special treatment. This always melts my heart. And I'm like, why not? I need to celebrate this teacher, including all the officers, the police officers that help to control the traffic. These people are the true hero for taking good care of our kids and making sure that they are safe. And also they are classroom teachers, pouring out deep wealth of wisdom into these kids, making them to become who God wants them to be. I didn't take that for granted. So to celebrate this teacher once a year, that is very, very powerful. So I decided to go all out. And when I was buying all these things from the store, they were just looking at me because my carts, I had two full carts, which I'll be showing you up. It was really, really full. And I'm glad I got all this. Again, this is me trying to show my appreciation on behalf of my family, to our kids teacher, who has gone above and beyond to make sure that our kids are safe at school, to make sure that they have good time, to make sure that our kids are treated well. And again, it always gladdens my heart each time I go to pick my kids on the queue. You see the teacher coming out in the sun, in the rain, opening the door car for the kids to make sure that our children get into the car safely. They don't just sit there and they just watch. They actually participate actively. And this is one of the reasons why I decided that I have to make sure I do this hamper. So for my first daughter, she will be getting 8 of these hampers, yeah. And my second daughter, she will be getting 18, and my son will be getting 4 for his teacher. And again, I make a total of 30 hampers. The moral of this video is that you should try as much as possible to appreciate the teachers who has been there in your kids' life, because they went above and beyond every day to make sure that our kids are safe at school. And this is the reason why it doesn't matter. You don't have to break a bank. If I tell you how much each of these hamper cuts, you would not believe it. Actually, the hamper is about the 5 or 6 items I put in this hamper. It's like $15. It's the heart that really, really matters, because this is something they don't expect and it's gonna gladden their eyes. It's just a token to appreciate them. We can appreciate our kids' teacher enough. We can thank them enough for what they do, but we can also do our part to show them that we really care and we see all their hard work. And again, if you like this video, share it with other people. It's Teachers Appreciation Week. It's not too late for you to appreciate the teachers in your kids' life. I hope you love this video. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye for now. Thank you.